Humans began observing the universe 5,000 years ago. The ancient Greeks, they looked up at the sky and saw countless sparkling stars, along with the great and powerful sun. Then they wondered, why? Today, we look up at the sky to observe, research, or simply admire the beauty of the universe. And we know why. Science always goes hand in hand with the development of humanity, and it was the scientists and the ancient joy skin who laid the first stones for human understanding of the universe. Now, we are living in the age of technology. Our understanding has gone far beyond the solar system. We have actually set foot on the moon, and next will be Mars. If we succeed, it will be a risky opening step for human conquest. But that's the future, and now we're sitting here, together, learning and admiring the beauty of the universe. Welcome to Explore and Discuss, a YouTube channel that synthesizes astronomical knowledge and the mysteries of the universe. Please subscribe to follow so you don't miss any interesting videos. Remember to like and share, subscribe to Explore and Discuss to not miss any interesting videos. Let's learn together. The Big Bang, or the Big Bang, is considered the initial explosion of the universe. After the Big Bang, all matter, space, and time were formed. The father of the Big Bang theory is Gary Demerge, a Belgian born in 1894, died in 1966. He was an astronomer, a physics professor, and a priest. When the Big Bang theory was born, there were many conflicting opinions in the scientific community commenting on this issue. But in the end, the Big Bang theory was accepted by most of the scientific community and considered correct. After Hubble's discovery of the expansion of the universe, or the discovery of the cosmic background radiation, the Big Bang theory was further strengthened. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe was born from a super large explosion at a singularity about 13.8 billion years ago. After the explosion, the universe was extremely hot and began to expand rapidly. After the inflationary phase, the universe gradually cooled. The temperature was cold enough for the photon radiation energy to be converted into subatomic particles, such as protons, neutrons, and electrons. Next, simple atomic particles began to appear, and about 1,000 years after the Big Bang, electrically neutral atoms appeared. The first element to be born was hydrogen, along with small amounts of helium and lithium. After about 300 million years, the first stars formed. Then those supernovae created many different diverse elements. At this time, the cosmic background radiation had a temperature of about minus 270 degrees Celsius and has remained that temperature until now. The Sun and the Earth began to appear about 5 billion years ago. At that time, the universe was about 8.8 billion years old. That means the universe is only about 3 times older than our Earth. Life on Earth appeared 3.7 billion years ago. That is also a very long time for life to grow and evolve. From the Big Bang to now, the universe is expanding faster and faster. The temperature of the cosmic background will also gradually decrease to the point where life cannot exist. That will be the bleak and commanding end of the universe. But we do not have to worry about this. We have at least 10 billion years to survive. The starting point of the Big Bang is called the singularity, a place where the density of matter is extremely high and extremely hot, a single point where space and time are concentrated. The explosion took place in a second, releasing a huge amount of matter and energy that formed the universe. That is the landmark, the beginning of the moment of the universe, or the starting point of time. So what is the moment before the explosion? What is there outside that singularity? Many opinions say that before the Big Bang, the universe was empty because it was the beginning of space and time. So before the Big Bang, there was nothing, meaning there was no time and space. And outside the singularity, there was nothing either. But that answer really cannot satisfy the curiosity of many people, because people are always wondering what was before the Big Bang, whether there was another universe outside our universe. Until now, it is still a difficult problem waiting for an answer, and it is even more difficult because we cannot observe a distance longer than 13.8 billion years. Many scientists are working hard to try to understand more clearly about the formation of the universe. In 2010, scientist Robert Penrose, professor at Oxford University, England, together with Professor Van Gradian, an American, made a shocking discovery. The universe was not created from the Big Bang, but a cycle that was repeated over and over again. The evidence, or simply the microwave background, radiation of the universe is not uniform. It creates large loops that are similar to spreading waves, and each loop has a certain temperature deviation, or simply put, the universe has experienced many explosions, or many different events, before the Big Bang. I don't know how accurate those studies are, but it also makes us somewhat doubt whether the Big Bang really existed. Does our universe have a cycle of self-creation and self-destruction, like the stars? One thing is certain: our science and technology are increasingly developing. It will help increase our understanding of the universe. Maybe what is true today will no longer be true tomorrow. Humans have only really understood the universe in the last few hundred years. And compared to the universe, it is only like a second in a human life. We really don't know much about the universe. Above is the first video of Explore and Discuss, learning about the Big Bang. Don't forget to like and share with your friends, and leave your opinions by commenting below the video. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please feel free to give your opinions. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to Explore and Discuss to continue to update more interesting information. Hello, and see you all again to continue to update more interesting information. Hello, and see you all again.